off.
Well, we're getting kind of dirty, aren't we?
Found a new place to play.
Yeah. Come on. Oh, everybody feels so good and wet.
Only not.
Yeah, she's the one that's
rolled
good.
it.
I know, she's done it
She
like
did
3 or
it.
4 times.
Sit there and roll on her back.
Oh, run away, Noel. Don't let her get you.
She's all wet. Watch out.
Oh, she is so wet.
Hey, nope. No biting.
Good girl, Phoenix. That's right. You just watch and make sure they play fair. You're the referee.
She can play with Nolan, and she's so gentle. I mean, she'll take his head in her mouth.
That's
And
good.
it's scary looking, but
That
Good
is,
girl.
I bet it's really like maternal for her.
yeah,
Like
I
that.
think it must be. Well, you're gonna get dirty too, huh?
Come on, now. I have to give her a basket.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna get